welcome. So I come into work. This is a box from Monster.
I ain't have to do that, man, like that. She said that I ain't like that, but I swear this ain't no fake gut. Hell
yeah. Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie back with another video, right? And today we have an unboxing. A very massive unboxing. At least from the box it looked like it, right? First off, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share. Dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. I have seen y'all. Y'all are here. Welcome. But anyway, so I come into work and this is waiting on me. This is a box from Monster, right? And if you know about Monster, we've used their products here and there, a little bit here. But it's been a while since I used anything from them. So what's in this box? I know it's a clipper. They hit me up and said there's a clipper on the way, but I don't quite know what else is in this box. Unless they want to put everything, I mean just a clipper in a big ass box to like be like, hi, got you, right? So we're gonna open it up and we're gonna see what we got, right? So this is the clippers and trimmers. How you pronounce that? Cerberus?
Cerberus. Stress on the first syllable. Both British and American pronunciations are similar, even though in American it sounds more like Cerberus. Cerberus, or in British English again, Cerberus.
If you can see it, that's what it is, right? So that is the name of the clipper and the trimmer. The clipper has 9,000 RPM. The trimmer has 10,000 RPM. They are vector motors. The 10,000 RPM is already kind of for a trimmer. I mean, of course, we got to put it to use and see what it do, but it's like a pamphlet of everything, metal click lever, like they breaking it down, everything. So we're gonna look at that later. But let's get into this package. Let's get into the package. That's the trimmer, the Cerberus. I don't know. We'll worry about it. And then that's the clipper. But before we get into that, let's see everything else that's also in this box. Got a couple of hats, little snaps, little snapback. My dome is huge. Like when I get hats, you gotta open that thing all the way. Matter of fact, just open that thing, right? We good? Let's see. All right. So we got a hat. We got a travel bag for clippers. Look like one for trimmers, for shears and stuff as well. Look like you got a cape. Some grippers. I don't use the grippers, so I'll give those to somebody. Got some combs, some fading combs, which I got a few of those already from them, but they do got the black, so I will be swapping that out. And then we got some styling brushes, different size styling brushes. So a few accessories. I didn't know what else I was gonna be in there, right? I didn't know how much other stuff was gonna be in there, but we got a clipper and we got a trimmer. That's why you get a case for your phone. But let's start first with the clipper. All right. So their packaging is usually the same as all of their other stuff. So starting with the clipper, you get 120 minutes of charge time for 180-minute run time, 9,000 RPM, metal click lever, metal bottom housing for less vibration and noise, cord or cordless, mini USB. Hopefully it has a USB-C, right? A lot of things are moving to the USB-C. It got their hybrid blade, which is the fusion blade, the vapor blade style, different blades. And then they got their double magnetic guards. So as we open, and it do have a charging dock as well, so that's cool. Now this is a problem, but luckily I've used different clippers from overseas and stuff. I have an adapter for this, but you know, I need an adapter for that, or use one of the other companies that use the same style of charger. That is a heavy, nice size. There's the charging dock for the clipper, screwdriver, Then of course you got the click levers and face plates. So we will put them to the side. And it does come with their double magnetic guards. So I'm guessing it starts with a half guard up to an 8. Because it say 10 of their metal guards. So nice little design. These more like the tight there's their double magnetic. Not too tough, but not too flimsy at all either. So that's pretty good. But that's all the accessories, which is good because you get a charging dock and all that stuff. But since they knew they was sending it to me, they could have gave your boy an adapter. What I supposed to do with this? Like I said though, I have an adapter, so we're good. But this is the clipper, very small clipper. Put you in the mind of the Instincts a little bit. They not as wide up at the top though. Click lever, very tight. Nice grooves on the back for your gripping. Again, with their hybrid blade. Very nice size. I do like the all black. Their logo there. You can hear that motor. We're looking at 9,000 RPM. Charging port on the back for the USB. So honestly, if I need to, I can just use one of the USB charging docks or charging cables. So what we got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 notch lever. So that's cool. But that's the clipper. This is just the unboxing. I had a big old box. I didn't know what was all gonna be in it, right? Now we get to the trimmer. 120 minutes of runtime. So they both give you 2 hours of runtime, 10,000 RPM, pretty much the same body style. And they do got the mini USB. They do not have the USB-C, but it's all good. I can still get a good charge without I don't even necessarily need an adapter now. I could just use one of my other cables to get a good charge. You do get the different face plates, charging cable again, and that is in the other one too. I just didn't show it, but charging cable. They do get a charging dock as well. I don't know if they both can fit the same thing. I'm pretty sure the one for the clipper can fit the trimmer in it. Probably not the vice versa, right? So, but you get the same stuff, screwdriver, cable. And this is the trimmer. Again, put you in the mind of the Instinct. When a trimmer has too much RPM, I'm not too much of a fan of it because sometimes it leads to too much vibration. Now this say the body, the design offsets that, so hopefully that is somewhat the case and give me a better usage of it. Pretty much the same body style as the clipper. Charging port here for the charging dock. I do not like this on a trimmer because it seems like this is kind of fat coming into a small, to the small part here, the small head. But we will put this to use, of course. I do like the feel of it though. Again, I haven't used anything from them in a while, so we will put this to use. I got me a new hat. I don't wear hats at all. If y'all would have seen me when I was doing music, I wore hats all the time, right? But, so that's an unboxing. Again, I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm not Cerberus. That's what I'm gonna go with. Cerberus. Anyway, that's the unboxing from Monster. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, and leave in the comments, have you ever used anything from Monster? Or are you just willing to give a try to another company? All right? Leave that down below. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. Peace.